One thing that we quickly realized when we moved into the house is that, we have a lot of windows, which is great for, the lighting in the house is absolutely fantastic to live inside, but not very good for the office. Our office especially had zero privacy, and the light was completely uncontrolled. We kept saying that we were going to fix it later, and later never came. So finally we decided to do it properly and install custom roller shades from Curtarra. You send your dimensions, pick the fabric, and they basically build the custom shades specifically for your windows. They can even send free fabric swatches so you can see how the materials actually look. We went with their motorized paper linen texture roller shades for the office. The goal here was very simple. We just wanted privacy, softer light, and something that it still feels warm and natural, not like a blackout bunker. I mean, I said simple, but it was actually very complicated to find a roller that could fit all these needs at the same time. Just like their slogan, any need, Curtarra made it fit. That's actually what they did for us. The installation was very straightforward. They provide measurement guides and installation videos. And the motorization is the part that really changes the daily experience of the curtains. I did not leave wires for them when I was wiring the house. I thought that having motorized shades was out of the question for us, but I got really excited when I saw that Curtarra's motorized shades are actually battery powered.
Qué buena pinta, ¿no?
You don't need to have wires, they have their own battery. So now we can just adjust the shades instantly, depending on the light that we want.
Do you like it?
I love it. It's super minimal.
No more fighting the sun or moving the monitor around to avoid reflections.
The remote is very tiny, as you can see. It's very nice. So we can just leave it here, for example, and while working on the computer, if we need to lower the shade to have less light inside the studio, we can just... Also, it comes with this holder, so you can just screw it to the wall or stick it, because it has also adhesive in the back. And it also has a magnet. You can put it there and then, control the shades from there.
It also makes the space feel way more finished. It is one of those upgrades that you actually feel the difference immediately every single time that you go inside that room. By the way, this space is now finished. Eugenia installed this beautiful shelving unit in one of her videos, and we even hung our YouTube awards. Yes, we have two, one for each of us.
And now you might be wondering, but how do you charge it once you install it, because it's very high? So they sent this long cable with shade. Now you just leave it charging here for a few hours and it will last like 6 months or so.
Another thing that I appreciated is that these are handcrafted and made to order, and they come with a lifetime warranty. If you're in the middle of renovating or just finishing up a space, window treatments is one of those things that make a huge difference in how you feel the space that you are in, and how you live the space and how you work in it. So if you want to check them out, I will leave a link in the description below.
And this is the privacy that it gives us at night.